Hello everyone, Ian here again, giving you just a quick update on the coming week. I'm sure a lot of you will know that dronies around the world are reaching near lunatic levels of excitement over the highly anticipated and possibly a smidge carefully hyped launch of the new DJI Mavic 2. DJI have played along nicely, even baiting us with the bigger picture event, which was scheduled for the 18th of July, only to postpone it at the last minute. A little bit too late for the UK's Argos catalogue, which gleefully printed a full page showing pictures of the two new models along with some of the specs being nicely confirmed. So the wait is almost up now, with the big event coming up this Thursday, 10 AM Eastern US time, which is going to be 3 PM UK time and 4 PM European time, Western European time. DJI hopefully be giving us full details of the two new models, the Mavic 2 Zoom and the Mavic 2 Pro with its 1-inch sensor. Yes, I admit I will be upgrading, and for me the new 1-inch sensor on the Mavic 2 Pro is going to be the draw that gets me. The Phantom 4 Pro already has a 1-inch sensor. It's 20 megapixels and can handle 60 frames per second at 4K. So I'm kind of hoping that the new Mavic 2 Pro will match or exceed those specs, and that's where I'll be putting my money. Most, if not all of you, will be relieved to hear I won't be doing any more videos on this during this week. I reckon by Thursday, Friday, you'll be a little bit bored of all the my thoughts on the new Mavic 2 videos that will be popping up. So I'm just going to hang back and watch a few of them and wait until I've got it in my hands until I actually do that. In the meantime, I've actually got a new drone already. It's not a DJI model, it's the Xerotech Dobby, and it's at half the price of the Spark. It's one of the cheapest GPS enabled 4K drones available, and I can't wait to get it unboxed and have a play with it and let you know whether or not it's a good buy for somebody trying to get their first drone who's on a budget. So hopefully that'll be coming up in the next few days or week or so. I'm also working on a few other videos at the moment. Earlier this year I did the smooth camera settings video, which a lot of you liked, as it showed you the various settings to try and smooth down some of the flight movements when you're actually trying to shoot video. The video I'm working on now is smooth flying techniques, which goes through in more detail how you can control the gimbal as well as the drone at the same time to get some pretty dynamic shots whilst keeping everything under control. So hopefully that's going to be coming out in the next week or two as well. And on top of that, I've also got some great footage from recent trips I did to the USA, France and also Malta. So over the next few months I'll be uploading some short little travel vlogs on each of these countries. A few reasons why. A, I happen to love the footage I've taken, and some of the scenery I shot was pretty outstanding. B, I'm also trying to expand some of the stuff I put on the channel for you beyond the tutorials and how-to videos. I'll make sure the vlogs are clearly titled, so if travel vlogs aren't your thing, then don't click. But for others that want to see some of the scenery I've been to, then I'm sure they'll put a smile on your face. Either way, do let me know, because ultimately I do this stuff for you guys. It's not for me, I've already seen all of this stuff, so you're the ones that are giving me the thumbs up or down, so let me know what floats your boat. So that's about it. I hope you enjoy the lunacy that's about to come. Every time you open your phone or your computer, you're going to be getting little messages with somebody's latest upload saying my thoughts on the new Mavic 2, and hey, you know, there we are. I'm sure it'll be all good fun. Let me know what you're planning to do, whether or not you're going to stick with what you've got or whether you're going to be upgrading. It is nice to know what you guys think's important. Until then, enjoy the summer as I am, and I will catch up with you very soon. So have fun and happy flying.